we have to find how many integers we have between negative 10 to power 20 and 10 to power 20. So first, what it means integers? Integers are whole numbers including 0 and negative values. So we have this number from negative infinity, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, and this number going to positive infinity. We have to find these integers between these two numbers. The word between means that we have to include both ends of the range. So next step, it will be very difficult to write these whole numbers because we have 10 to power 20. So we will use formula that when we have pair of numbers m and n, where m is less than or equals n, then the number of integers is equal n minus m plus 1. We have to add 1 because we have to include both ends. So in our example, n is equal 10 to power 20. m is equal negative sign we have, and we have 10 to power 20. So now we will just use this formula. We have n minus m plus 1. So this is equal, n is 10 to power 20, and we have minus, in parentheses we will put negative 10 to power 20. So now we have to add 1, so this is equal, negative and negative give me positive, so we have 10 to power 20 plus 10 to power 20 plus 1. So this is equal, we can write 2 times 10 to power 20 plus 1. This is my solution.